2 hours. That's all it took. Chante Lee White stood accused of murdering her friend, 29-year-old Kayla Golding. The jury deliberated for just 120 minutes, then, guilty. But that was only the beginning of a twisted story. In May 2021, Riverway Drive, Condon. A peaceful night shattered. Inside, White, Golding, and a friend, Erica, shared drinks and drugs. A hunting knife glinted nearby, a gift from White's boyfriend, Jamie McAuliffe. Kayla, a 29-year-old hospitality worker, Pimlico State High Alum. Bright. Loved. And dead, stabbed once in the neck, exsanguinated in a pool of blood on her driveway. White's defense. She blacked out after Golding raised her fist. But police say White pulled the knife and plunged it deep, hitting jugular, carotid artery. Prosecution's case was brutal. Knife found in sheath near unit. Forensic blood on walls, bedroom carpet. Witness saw cleanup operation post-stabbing along with McAuliffe's secrets, snapping SIM card, wiping phone memory. Witnesses testify, White joked days before, "I'm going to kill Kayla, that's C." She said it was over yendi, slang for weed. A pathologist described brutal wounds, 8.6 centimeters cuts, deep, life-ending in seconds. It took 7 days in court. Witness by witness. Audio recordings. Bodycam footage. White's frantic interview, she claimed to call an ambulance, then vanished. She blacked out, swore on her daughter's life. Erica's secret testimony, she saw it, heard the scream. Then, told to lie, McAuliffe coached her on how to dodge police. Phone data showed McAuliffe left to clean up. Then returned. Drove them past the body. And White bragged in jail, told fellow inmates she'd get away with manslaughter. But what they uncovered next changed everything. SFX, heartbeat drum. White punches a wall on verdict day. Hallway chaos. She injures herself. Taken to hospital. Sentence, postponed until August 12. Twist, McAuliffe pleaded not guilty as accessory. But evidence ties him deep. His phone records. The SIM snap. His motive? Allegedly shielding White, yet he left her to face the police. 2 previous joint trials collapsed. One due to a barrister's medical emergency. Another due to legal technicalities. And deep underground rumors in Queensland courts, whispers of evidence tampering. Of missing CCTV. Of pressured witnesses. And kept quiet confessions overheard in jail. So where do things stand now? White guilty. Hospitalized. Sentencing set. McAuliffe still out on bail, awaiting trial. But justice for Kayla? Not yet. Her mother, Michelle, relieved, but she knows nothing can reverse what happened. Semi-transparent bloodstains in that Riverway bedroom, still frozen in images. The hunting knife, still frozen in evidence photos. The cut screen, still unresolved. The voices of those horrified neighbors, they still echo. At its heart, this is a story of jealousy, betrayal, and the razor-thin line between trust and violence. Curiosity killed Kayla. Ignorance let it bleed. And truth, it costs everything. But also, truth demands reckoning. And justice demands remembering. This Netflix-level mystery shows just how far darkness can seep even between friends. Be wary of the secrets we hide, and those we choose to ignore. Subscribe for weekly updates. They tried to hide it, we will always dig it up. Don't be shy, leave a comment below, and smash the bell icon for more. Next evidence loading true crime.